1965 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3 right-hand drive. Price: $9,750. Location: Virginia, USA. The 1965 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3 you are looking at today is not just another classic car. It is a symbol of British luxury, prestige, and craftsmanship from an era when automobiles were built with elegance that modern vehicles can only dream of matching. What makes this example even more fascinating is that it is being offered at a price that seems almost unbelievable for a Rolls-Royce of this caliber. The Silver Cloud 3 was the final and most refined version of the legendary Silver Cloud series. Under the hood sits a powerful V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering the effortless driving experience Rolls-Royce owners expected in the 1960s. Even today, enthusiasts consider the Silver Cloud 3 one of the most beautiful luxury sedans ever produced by the famous British manufacturer. The moment you step inside, you are transported to a different era. The rich wood veneer dashboard showcases handcrafted artistry that has become increasingly rare in the automotive world. The spacious seating arrangement, elegant rear picnic tables, and luxurious interior appointments remind us that this automobile was designed for royalty, celebrities, and business leaders who demanded the very best. The story gets even more interesting when you learn that this particular Silver Cloud 3 has recently emerged from long-term storage. While many classic cars deteriorate beyond repair after years of sitting idle, this vehicle reportedly retains a solid structure, making it a promising candidate for a complete restoration. For collectors and restoration enthusiasts, opportunities like this do not come around very often. The exterior still carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. The iconic proportions, graceful lines, and commanding stance ensure that this automobile attracts attention wherever it goes. Even in its current project condition, it possesses a level of dignity and elegance that many fully restored vehicles struggle to achieve. Perhaps the most shocking aspect of this listing is the asking price. At only $9,750, this Silver Cloud 3 is being offered for less than the price of many ordinary used cars. Considering the vehicle's historical significance, collectible status, and restoration potential, many enthusiasts would view this as an exciting opportunity to acquire a true piece of automotive history. The Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3 represented the pinnacle of luxury transportation during the 1960s. Heads of state, wealthy industrialists, and prominent figures around the world chose vehicles like this because they symbolize success, refinement, and exclusivity. Owning one today is about much more than transportation. It is about preserving a remarkable chapter of automotive heritage.